Okay, so hello everyone. Shall we start, Delna? I can start with a story and then we can talk about the main stuff.
Yes.
So, speech therapy. So, first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Charu, co-founder BNC Miracle Method. So, we both created a healing therapy and we practice that, which is copyrighted under our name. It's called BNC Miracle Method. But today we are here to talk about seed therapy. And how I got introduced to seed therapy was in a very interesting way. Uh, Basically, couple of years, or actually more than that, almost 4 years back, I was diagnosed with hypertension. I had high blood pressure, and I was in India at that time. I went to the doctor, and he said that, oh, you need to take a pill because obviously he was our family doctor, and he told me that both from your father and mother's side you have hypertension. So it's genetic hypertension. Yeah, you got it as a gift from your parents. So now you take this pill. So I said, okay. I started taking one pill every day. Blood pressure went down. Then after 6 months, again I was in India only, and again I felt the same symptoms. So I went to the doctor again, and he said, "Oh, your blood pressure has gone up. It is genetic hypertension. Both your parents have it. Now you take two pills." So I said, "Oh, really?" I did some healing work on myself with the therapy that I know, but it didn't happen. And actually, by the time the doctor had also implanted its genetic hypertension, it cannot be cured. It's there. You are bound to have it. So nothing worked. So I within 6 months from one tablet, I started two tablets every day, and then the blood pressure. Then it struck to me that like this, and my blood pressure, if I missed one tablet, would shoot up like zoop zoop zoop. I don't want to scare you with the figures. So then I thought, yeah, what is this? My freedom is gone because when I'm traveling, I have to be very watchful. Like one time I was traveling and I thought, what if this medicine gets, my suitcase gets misplaced? So then I'm keeping medicine in my hand baggage. And that's where I realized my freedom is gone. I can't survive without these pills. But anyway, there was no answer at that time. And but then I intended, I was desperately looking for a solution for my hypertension. And that was the year we went to Isha for Guru Purnima, Sadhguru's program. And there I met a South Indian in that trip. And he was a healer. And I asked him about, and I told him, can you heal hypertension? We were just exchanging notes. And we had like, he had this South Indian accent, and some language barrier was there. Not that much, but still his accent was little different. And he told me, yes, yes, nah, you can heal now. I said, I can heal my hypertension. How? So he talked about it. He introduced me to seed therapy. So I said, okay, but with our method, somehow when we do, we always try to find out how long for the result to show up. So I asked him, no, you tell me with this seed, how fast can you heal my hypertension? And again, in his cute, he was very calm, different type of a man. Again, in his South Indian accent, he told me, 3 days now, 3 days. So what he meant was 3 to 4 days. So I thought, I'm not getting him right. 3 days to heal hypertension can't be, like, I cannot even think of that. So I said, what are you talking, like, can you tell me exactly, like, you do now. And we did some experiment. He did press some of my points, and I screamed when he pressed something on my hand. And I like, so I figured out that there's something wrong in our communication. But he told me to use one pepper on a point, and I kept asking how long, blah blah, and he said, do it for 3 4 days now, do it for 3 4 days now. And I could not believe it. Anyway, that trip, we were in a program. The moment I came back to Dubai, I just applied one pepper for three. Actually, I saw the result very second day only when I did that seed therapy on me for 2 days, and my blood pressure went towards little lower side because I didn't stop any medication, but it did go a little down. So I figured out that there is some substance in that. And then I continued for almost, I did it for 7 days. And then the way it is supposed to be done, I did it. and my blood pressure came into balance. And then actually, because I am from healing fraternity, I monitored my blood pressure 3 to 4 times every day, and I start chopping down the pills. And I can tell you today, I am without pills. My hypertension is absolutely balanced, and it's all good for me. So that's my story. And that's how I go. Then I went left, right, and center. I learned this from him, from other people. I sorted it out in more explainable, more understanding way, and then I started teaching it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that was my experience, and I thought it is so simple that our mind cannot comprehend that something so simple can do big things like hypertension. Who can think that it can get healed by just one black pepper? I could not believe, I could not comprehend at that time. But yes, and we have many more stories to share with you all. And it's easy peasy technique, and it's homemade. So yes, we encourage everybody now for this. So shall we put the presentation?
Vinay, can you allow me to share my screen?
Should I make you the host, Brenda? Or no, then my recording.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Even if I'm recording, it will still record on you.
Okay.
But you can make me co-host.
Okay. There's no co-host, there's just host.
Yeah, you can make me host.
Okay, so now that was just a introduction of how I encountered and how I came to know about the seed therapy. So what exactly is seed therapy? So if you know, like, a seed we use in seed therapy, the medicine is basically your seeds. So just to give you a brief introduction, a seed has all the potential or all the knowledge of what a tree has or what the fruits of the tree has, because it's from the seed the tree grows and then it bears the fruits. So the seed has each and every knowledge, each and every content of tree and its fruits. And that's what, in natural medicine, when you take Ayurveda or anything, they give you herbal medicines which are made up of plants. So we are using seeds here. So this seed therapy is a Korean technique, and the founder is Park Jae-woo. He is the founder of seed therapy. It's also known as Sujok. So this is all what we all have, the anatomy, the organs, different organs that we have in our body. So what this gentleman discovered was that each and every organ of your body is connected to your hand. So all the meridians from each and every organ, they come to your hand. So by only in seed therapy, we only use one hand, and we will teach you how to actually work on each and every organ. You can work on your entire body just by your hand. You don't have to go anywhere else, only by your hand. So in seed therapy, we will teach you how to work on your hand, which point corresponds to which organ. So we will tell you about your each and every organ in your body on the hand. So we will train you for that. Then we will train you how to diagnose the point where to work on for any particular health issue, any health challenge, everything on the hand. How beautiful is that? It's like a switchboard. So your entire DBs, how you have different fuses, this is your fuse board. Or which fuse has gone wrong, you will know only by working on your hand to heal any challenge. So this is how we will teach you. We'll tell you your entire body on your hand, and we will provide you with a tool. just show them the tool. So we'll provide you with a tool and we will train you how to use this tool to find out where to work on. So that is what will be taught in the class. And then we will also teach you not only how to find the issue, then we will teach you how to cure it. So what has to be exactly, what has to be done, which seed has to be applied. We'll talk a lot about the qualities of the seed, how to find out which seed will benefit you. So we will talk a hell lot of stuff about these. And then we will teach you a schedule, how it has to be applied, for how long, for how many days, and how to also come to know that whether an issue is fully healed or not. Because sometimes what happens is that the symptoms disappear very fast. But we will also teach you how to know that the problem is still needing more attention. So this is all about seed therapy. Show them the protocols.
Just a minute. I think Ufrish is having some trouble with the audio. Is anybody else having problems? I can hear perfectly clearly. Everyone can hear?
Got it now. In between, it went away.
Okay, Ufrish. All right. I didn't want you to miss any part of this.
So this is the point that I used for my hypertension. My blood pressure would really go very high, and one pill I would miss, and it would make a difference in my body. And the worst part was that I got used to high blood pressure, so there were no symptoms that, okay, some people have headache or something, but my blood pressure would just go, I would still feel normal. So that is the most dangerous thing to have, like, you know, if there's no symptom. So that was me. And this guy, he told me, he pressed, when I met him first time, he just pressed this and I screamed. So then I fought with him. I said, you know, you are a man and you're pressing it so hard. If you press any lady's finger that hard, she would scream. And he told me, no, this is your point that is blocked. I said, no, the way you have pressed, gently. Then Brinda was also with me. He took Brinda's hand and he applied the same pressure, and she's like, what? Nothing, what? She's saying like that. And I screamed when he pressed this point. I'm like, oh, is that? So that was my introduction to this. So we will teach you exactly how to diagnose the point in the class. So in my case, I just applied one black pepper. I started sharing with those who learn seed therapy. So we share these type of protocols off and on, so that you are good with it. We support you with that. So this is the point which I used, and within no time, like, you know, the BP started going towards the lower side, and I have my blood pressure at this age is exactly 120/80, or actually it stays to 77 to 80, not more than that. So how awesome is that? Like, you know, only by just one black pepper, I healed. So this is one story. Would you like to tell something? Yeah, of course. That's Brinda's slide. She has something to tell you.
For me, I have not a lot of, so sometimes when I get up from the bed or in the morning, I have a backache, or when I'm traveling on long flights, then my shoulder and my backache, my back starts paining. So what I do is, before traveling, then I'll do a preemptive application of peppercorns on my hand. And so I travel 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. And so by the end of my flight, I have absolutely no pain. I'm perfectly okay. And the same, like I did it for like about a month or so. I applied peppercorns for my back. And so now when I get up from the bed in the morning, I absolutely have no issue at all. So this is for lower back pain. We've had, I also use it for my little one. So my little one is 11, and they're basically at this age where, you know, they go to school, or not now, but they were going to school, and they get a lot of these colds, coughs, and, you know, whatever is transmitted, like this immune system. So just an application.
apply peppercorn?
Sorry. Is somebody wanting to say something? I'll just mute everybody. I was talking about the colds and coughs right now. What we do is we apply, so rice is a very good application to put on the lungs. So what rice does, it actually removes all the inflammation and the infection or the mucus that is stuck in the lungs and draws it out. So all the cough and the cold and everything. So very, very great application of rice on the lungs. I've seen this many times. We've done this many times for a lot of people where they've had a lot of coughs, colds, and they've gone to doctors, taken set of antibiotics, taken cough and cold medicine and not gone. Just this one small application for our kids, or for ourselves or family members is such an awesome, great tool to have.
So I remember one time my sister lives in Canada and she called me and she said, you know what, I went for this checkup and I have been diagnosed with this thyroid imbalance. And so I told her that her imbalance was not big, but that doctors did put her on medication. So I told her, don't start the medication. Can you wait? Like, okay, you just went to the doctor and got diagnosed. But before that, you were like, so can you wait for 15 days? She said, yes, of course, I can wait for 3 months also if you are doing something for me. I said, I am not going to do anything for you, but you will do it for yourself. And I told her to use certain set of seeds on a certain positions. And she did it for, actually, she did it for almost 1.5 months regularly. And actually, she knew her symptoms that were coming on behalf of thyroid imbalance. So the moment she did that, it started disappearing, those symptoms. And then she used it for almost 1.5 months to 2 months. And then she went back for a checkup because I said, don't leave it like, unattended. She went back for a checkup and then there was nothing. The thyroid was absolutely in balance. So she never took medication for thyroid, only on account of, although we know other techniques also, but this was such an easy way of like, sometimes you find it hard to do healing sessions for yourself. But this is like just application of a seed, and it takes you like, application takes you what, 2 minutes? And that's it. So it's like a 2 minutes job, a homemade therapy in a way, because the tools are all in your kitchen. So this is how it worked for her. Your dad?
Yeah, so my dad actually has a heart issue, and he'd basically gone to the doctor, and I mean, he's 85 years old. So the doctor said he'd put a last stent, and he said, I couldn't put it properly. So you have to be really careful. So I basically told him to put the apple seed. And my parents are not believers of all this work, but because this therapy is so easy, and because they can do it themselves, and they don't worry me, they don't, because they live in Australia, they feel they worry me if they ask me for any session, but they actually feel empowered themselves doing this. So he basically started putting the apple seed on the heart, and he did that like for 3 months. But he's like, he would tell me, I don't feel any difference, do you think it's working? And I'm like, whatever it is, just do it, it's okay. Then after that, like after 2 months, he applied very religiously. Then he said, then I said, okay, now just let it be, we'll see. So when he went for his checkup, the doctor said, oh, you're in very good health. Like even better than what he had told him before, So then I said, oh, see, the heart seed works now. Now, like, this is where like the validation came. Like, we don't know what's inside our body, but just the application of that seed when you go to sleep in the night is such an easy thing to have and do. And so now I told him, you continue and do like, a few couple of days off and a couple of days on. So now he religiously does that. So even like parents' health, you can empower them to basically look after themselves, because this is such an easy way, literally the easiest method I have seen. Like I've learned a lot, both Charu and me basically learn a lot in alternative healing and love to learn a lot of things, and we teach a lot of other things. but the seed therapy seems to be, you know, the most easiest therapy, and even kids can do it. Like I thought my cousin's daughter was having stomach pain, and so we put the seeds for her on her stomach area, and she immediately felt comfort. So the next time she got a pain, she told her mom, can you put these, can you put them for me? Like just 11-year-old telling her mother, you know. So this is the beauty of this therapy. Very easy to apply, very easy to do, and you can empower everyone in your home to even do the same thing.
So for those who join late, when we are saying we apply seed on the heart, not on the physical heart or not on the stomach area, we are only applying everything on the hand. Not so there's a correspondence point on the hand for the heart, for stomach, for each and every organ. That is where we are applying. So we are only using a hand to do the treatment and the seed.
What we can do now is open the floor for questions. If anybody has any questions or would like to.
I have a question. So how does the seed therapy, how can peppercorn help in lower back pain? Is it like energy follows thoughts? Because if we kind of start thinking that, okay, if I do this, I'm going to heal myself. And there's another saying, which is like energy follows thoughts, right? So if it's like you are healing yourself by having that belief, you know. So is it that, or how does the peppercorn, you know,
See,
what does
like her dad, he didn't even actually believe in this therapy when he worked on his heart. He just did it because he had no choice, because he was having this heart issue, and the medically maximum treatment was being given, already given 3-4 times. Stent was changed, and there's no more possibility of working on that. When I put peppercorn, I remember I didn't believe it in that. I was like, I kept asking him, and I thought we had some language barrier, because he said, do it for 3-4 days now, 3-4 days now. And I was like, how long? Like, you know, what are you talking? Like 3-4 days? Unbelievable. Like it was literally unbelievable. So it's not that. The theory, again, I tell you, is each and every meridian of each and every organ comes onto your heart. So what you are diagnosing is you are finding that point, that meridian on the position of that organ where you want to work on. And then the seed that you are using, as I told you, has all the qualities of that tree. So they have these healing properties. So like, for instance, black pepper is anti-inflammatory.
okay.
So just to give you an example, so the black pepper that I use is has a quality of anti-inflammation. So when you apply black pepper on a meridian which is connected to your cervicals, so for hypertension, like because we talked so much about it, so if I give you a full anatomy about that, hypertension is due to some inflammation in your cervicals.
Yeah.
So what he did was he asked me to put the black pepper on the cervical point. So when I put the black pepper, it pressed that point in such a way that it removes the inflammation. So it's like, you know, you asking me that this bulb in my living room has got fuse, but how come the fuse when you change the fuse, which is outside your house, this light ups? Because there's a connection between the two. So the moment you repair the fuse, which is out, the fuse board is outside your house, the entire circuit gets repaired. So in the same way, when you apply a peppercorn, which is anti-inflammatory in its property, it repairs the inflammation by pressing that meridian, which is directly connected to your cervicals.
Okay.
So this is how it's working. It's not just that you have so much belief in that it healed you. No, my dear, it's not like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Charu, what are the kind of issues that you can address with seed therapy?
All health challenges, any health challenges, whether it is skin eczema, skin issues, any chronic backache, digestion, tooth infection, goes like that, only by applying few things. I remember this I've done many times. One time I was in India, and this one of my cousins, she kept asking me, can you do a healing session? The sessions that we do with our therapy takes you, and Delma, you know that because you have also learned, it takes 1.5 hours to do one full session. So you can do it at there's a limitation, like, you know, you cannot do 20 sessions a day. It's just not possible. And once people know that you are into this type of work, they will just request you. So I had gone just to visit my aunt, and her daughter quickly requested me, oh, you know what, can you do a session for me? I've got this acute toothache and the doctor has given me appointment after the earliest dentist appointment is after 2 days. And I'm having this issue. So I told her only seat therapy. I said, you know what, put this, and on this position. I checked her hand and I gave her the position. She applied that. Within an hour, her pain disappeared. And after 3 days, she called me. She said the appointment which I got after 2 days, I canceled that also because there is no issue now anymore. So did you see? Healing complete, not a relief. Healing complete. Even for dental, one of my student only, her mother is has blood no, sorry, not anymore, but she still takes medication for blood cancer. So she has to be very watchful. She can't take antibiotic like that. If there is an infection in her body, is a big trouble. So they have to really protect her. And her tooth started hurting in these COVID days. And they didn't want to take her to hospital or to dentist. So she said, can we do something? I said, yes, not we, she can do something which I can tell her. And I told her the same thing about certain points and certain seeds. Pain disappeared. That within 6 hours, her pain disappeared. She did the therapy for 3 days, the seed therapy, and that's it. So it can address dental issues, digestion, people having acidity. These are like, you know, the liver problem, kidney failure. I'm telling you guys, kidney failure, where there is like, you know, but that of course you have to do seed therapy for 3 months. You do it and you will see how kidney will start regenerating. So it is like, you know, simple thing, but very powerful, easy peasy. So highly recommended. So kidney issues.
Sorry.
One time, even my mother had some digestive issues, and there was so much burning, and she's also 80 plus. And all I did was applied some cold seeds on those intestinal area, and within no time, and she is also actually she's also very good in giving feedback. She feels the change very fast. And within no time, she said, oh my God, it's like, you know, yeah, now there is no burning. It's going down, it's going down. So all we did was like, you know, especially for our parents, for ourselves, for our kids, you can use it, but it is for any form of health challenge. Whether
Vanisha is asking, what about diabetes?
Diabetes, yes. Yes, we will share the protocols for diabetes also. We'll guide you how to heal diabetes. Diabetes, you know, for blood pressure and diabetes, you apply the seed and within 20 minutes, then you will see a shift because you can measure your diabetes, like, you know, when it is sky high. So it falls by certain points within 20 minutes, only by applying the seeds. And same with the blood pressure. When it is sky high, you apply the seed and within 20 minutes, you see a fall, a dip immediately. And that's like, you know, you only measure before and after. For diabetes also, yes.
And Ufrish is asking, what about hair fall?
Yeah, hair fall also, why not? Hair fall, we can tell something about hair fall as well. Any health issue.
Hair fall, what would you, which point would, I mean, there's a point for hair follicles on your thumb?
Yes, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. There's a point for hair fall. Apart from seed therapy, also vitamin B is a must. That also you have to, it's a vitamin B deficiency for most of us when there's too much of hair fall. What
and
else?
Niloufar is asking about the heart. Niloufar, would you like to ask your question to Charu?
Please share the point for heart.
The point in the heart on the left hand.
Okay, let's do one exercise, all of us. Take your left hand with the thumb of your right hand, just press below the thumb, this area, just press it very strong. Literally, you know, you can use this finger or with your thumb and just press this just below the thumb. Just press this area, which I've marked in black. And you will feel, most of you will feel some sort of a pain. You have to really press hard and you will feel a pain, little bit of a pain there. All those who felt the pain, please put yes in the chat box so that we know. Anybody felt pain? Yes, Lakshmi, you did. Who else? Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, yes, yes, yes.
What was that for?
So these are, guys, your lungs. So this is the status of your lungs.
Oh my
So
God,
this
during
therapy,
COVID.
the reason I asked you to do that is not that you have a health challenge and then only you will do it. This also tells you you can check your entire body. We will when you register, we'll send you the kit, we'll send you the tools to check things. And it's good to learn properly. So when you learn it, you will know. So you can check your entire body, and even you can know, oh, you know what, you don't have any bronchial issue, you don't have any respiratory issue, but this is the status of your lungs. So you can, address it. Why wait? Why wait for something to happen? So it's good to check each and every organ from time to time for yourself and for your loved ones, and then you address it. So this is, see, so many yes have come. So these are our lungs. So this shows the reality that your lungs are choked. So you need to work on them, and by this therapy. So this is how it works, guys. Yes. Thyroid, somebody is asking, but thyroid is a combination. So when you learn, we will teach you properly. Heart was easy
Charu,
to show.
if you can explain what exactly would the course be covering? In the course, what exactly would you be going through? Like a diagnosis and the healing, or?
Tell about the package also.
Basically, what you learn, what you will learn in the seed therapy, you will learn how the hand relates to every organ in the body. Remember, we showed you the picture of the organs in your body, so you will get to know exactly where they are on your hand and how to find the corresponding points to heal. So you will basically know exactly what issues to heal, how to heal it, and the properties of seeds. So we'll teach you seeds, and we'll teach you what properties and how they actually are beneficial for you to use in your healing methods. And you'll also get a kit where you'll get a manual, you'll get a probe. This is like what Charu was showing you. And we also give like a starter seed kit, because sometimes people can't find their seeds or don't know what they are. So we basically give a seed kit, so the basic seeds that we teach you to use and in class. We are planning the class on Friday, 30th October from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Our normal price is 1,000 dirhams, but we've discounted the price just for everyone attending this Zoom call hosted by Bhuvan, and the cost is 650, including the kit.
Brenda, what is the most common problem that you get? I mean, when people come for the class, what is the most common thing that they're trying to solve with the seed therapy?
Backache, digestive issues.
But to be honest, there are a lot of people with a lot of this. People are, everyone has their own set of different challenges, be it diabetes, arthritis, backache, leg pain, knee pains. So there is everything and everything. But what happens is you learn how to sort yourself out. So all of us have our different challenges. So you can't actually identify what is the most. But we are just sharing, like, for you or for you today to empower yourself, like for backache, how to sort your own backache, or for coughs and congestions, how to sort that out. So these are easier to teach to share with you. The rest need a little bit of understanding of how to achieve that as well.
Even for backaches, we can find out vertebra by vertebra which part is hurting with this therapy.
Some fixations on the cervicals or the lumbars or the thoracics, you can actually sort that out. It's actually very, very powerful because you come to know exactly where your spine is located, every single vertebra.
Maybe we can ask the group if there's one thing that a lot of people have in common, maybe migraine or something like that. And you could give us one thing that we can do as a homework just to see and just to explore. Would
Yeah,
anyone
sure.
like
I mean,
to
we've
share?
already given you backache, we were giving you cold. So other than that, if anybody would like anything, we've given you heart. So if anybody would, the course will be online. It's via Zoom. So we will teach you via Zoom. We can send you the course details, Rashmi, later on. I think we'll send them to you on WhatsApp. The
Sure,
course
I'll
information.
circulate, yeah. So
Yeah.
I think what Delna said, we can find out one problem and then you can tell us the seed and let's kind of, experiment the thing.
So basically, Delna, it's not just experimenting. It's
Yeah.
like, when we teach, we actually teach you how to diagnose, how to find that, because heart also is an area. But then you need to find out. It's not like an experiment. It's better to learn it and then do it.
Okay.
Jayashree has a question. Jayashree?
Yeah, I wanted to check with you. I mean, you said press the base of the thumb, but if you will press any part of the body, it'll pain only, na? If you'll press hard.
Not really.
Not really. And for everybody, it will not be like I am pressing my lungs. I don't have that. Initially, I used to have, but I don't have it now anymore. Even if I press it like that, there's a different pain. That hard pressing is a different pain, but the type of pain which everybody has who has said yes is different. Is different.
Okay.
And it's only on one point. It won't be everywhere. See, if you press, if you got a yes, it will be only at one point where there is more pain, and rest there is like nothing. So
Oh,
that's
okay,
what it
okay.
is. Yeah, you check that again. It's not
Yeah, I took
everywhere
it.
that you press and you will have pain. That
Okay, okay,
pressing
fine.
pain, like as I told you, when that gentleman pressed my hand, I screamed. And I said, oh, even I said the same thing, that you are was a big man. I said, you are pressing it so hard, anybody would scream. Then he took immediately Brinda's hand and he pressed with the same pressure. And she was like, what? I was like, really? Yeah, she said, what?
Yeah.
Nothing. Because I had issue. So my meridian hurt because I had inflamed cervicals. I had hypertension. Only for those who have an issue, that point will tell you. Your body tells everything on the end.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I would suggest, Jayashree, if you have one common problem, like maybe if you have a backache or something, you can ask what is the point for that and press it. And if it pains in a different way, then you'll be able to kind of verify where that's coming
You
from.
need a probe, Dilna. You need a probe.
Oh, you have to do it with the probe?
No, you can do it with a pen as well.
Does
With the
anyone
probe,
want
you
to
don't need to
volunteer?
press it.
Huh?
With the probe, you don't need to press it.
Yeah, you do.
The probe will tell you at a distance only. I mean, somewhere close without pressing.
Probe will call you. We'll send it across to you.
Okay.
I would like to, well, I mean, for like a demo purposes for me, I actually have a bit of sinus today. So basically, if I do my thumb like this, and this is where my nose is, so I'll start pressing here, and this is what we will teach you to do. And you'll find I will find a pain spot out here. And I'll find, like, because of course I have sinus on both sides, like, and this is a little bit on my right side is a little bit more. So I'll press and I'll find out where it exactly pains. So out here on this part and on this part, this pains. So what I will do is I will take black pepper and I'll put it on a cake. So this is a microfiber tape. We use this for class, or we use this for the body basically. And so what I've done is I've stuck the pepper on the tape, and I've applied that tape where I felt the pain. And so now I've applied this, and so if I press this, it will start easing my sinuses out, and so I can keep this for like about 2 to 4 hours, and I just keep pressing it like so to give me that sweet pain, like a pain, like but a sweet pain. And what will happen is slowly that the sinuses will start dissolving or whatever healing will take. And I'll just keep that on for like about 2 to 4 hours. And so this is what basically we do, right? And
What about varicose veins?
Yeah,
these
so
are all
yeah,
we can't demo on the this. This is all very different.
No, is
And
it treated by this is what I'm asking.
yeah, everything.
Anyway.
And for everyone who would like to know how to use for kidneys, so we basically will work on the kidneys like this. We'll find with the probe, and again I will put kidney beans on my kidney area. This allows my kidneys to obviously function better. So then I can keep that as well. And so then this allows me by pressing it, remove all the dysfunction in the kidneys. So this is how what you will learn to do. And this is, you learn where exactly the kidney point is. Now, obviously you can do it yourself, but you may not get the right points, but you have a fair idea. So for sinuses and for kidneys. Okay. So you all can use these as your, use for water retention for kidneys is good. So how was that? Did it blow your mind apart or give you all more information?
Yes, allergies can be addressed. Yes. UTI, yes, yeah, very well, easily. Female reproductive organ issues, urinary tract infection, all these things, very easy to heal with this. Period pain can be relaxed, all these things.
Yeah.
And we tell you which seed or what has to be applied exactly, because for every issue, different seeds are beneficial.
What about weight loss, which is very common for everyone? I mean, everyone wants to be thinner.
Yeah, we can address weight loss, but it has to be done very dedicatedly for like 3 to 6 months again. So you have to put the seeds on, you have to do all of that work. So if you're really, weight loss is basically, a lot of people want weight loss, but really not ready to work towards it there now. So this is what we've seen in our work. You have to be committed to work to weight loss, then you will see it. So this is in our expertise. We've seen a lot of people say, I want, but they want that magical wand and say, down by 10 kilos. Even I want. And I'm also not willing to put in so much work. So this is how it is. But I think once we're ready to work on weight loss and give it that, that motivation and that push and do everything, then you will achieve it.
Somebody's asking, Nina is asking for plantar fasciitis. Is there anything?
Yeah, but all of these we can't really we can't share all of these things because they aren't really this, like we shared with you what we can, but yes, you can address anything and everything. It's like whatever your issues are, we can, yeah.
So for that they have to do the course.
Yeah, of course, because they will get the right information to work on themselves, right? Right now, it's not exactly the full, like all of these things need a lot of work and explanatory. So, yeah.
It has to be done properly is the best way. It's not like just, okay, what I came to know, let me do that. You really need to find out the right point.
Right.
So, and again, for you for the course. And so the class we're planning on the 30th of October. You can let Delna, Rashmi, or directly you can contact Charu as well. Her number's there, our website is here. And it's $650, including the kit. So I think if there are no questions other than what we shared, then we look forward to teaching you at our course and sharing our knowledge and empowering you all, each and everyone. Yeah. Brenda,
Awesome.
Rashmi?
Thank you so much, Brenda and Charu. Does anybody have any last questions? Anything? Okay, perfect. All right.
Thank you so much, Brenda. Thank you so much, Charu. And thank you, ladies, for joining us.
Thank you so much, Rashmi. Thank you, everyone, for
Thank you. And I just want to tell everyone that I myself have learned so many things from Brenda and Charu, including the BNC miracle method, which I've finished all my 6 levels. So I would strongly recommend that if you want to learn how to address your own healing, this course should not be missed. So please do take a day, think about it, and then get in touch with us, and don't lose this opportunity, because I don't think Brenda is ever going to get the price down to 650 again.
Yeah, Bella said, please, just for, she really asked us and she said, let's do something. And so this is how it has actually happened. She's like, I really want to empower people. And this is also we want to empower people to move away from, allopathy to basically, using things that are available. And such a beautiful tool it is. It's like amazing, and you can do it. It's like a lifelong investment. It's like your life insurance.
Yeah,
Not
absolutely.
only for yourself, for your loved ones also.
Yeah.
So it's good thing to have.
Yeah, absolutely harmless. Children, elderly people,
Yeah.
everyone can benefit
Very good.
from it.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Brenda and Charu. Thank you.
Thank you,
Rashmi.
Brenda. Thank you, everyone, and have a great
Charu,
weekend.
there is one question from Jyoti, which she's writing is not answered. Jyoti, can you please ask the question?
I think Jyoti is not here.
Jyoti Dave.
No, she's not online.
Jyoti
okay.
probably left. She's
Yeah.
asking about quick point to help menstrual cramps. But I guess, like you said,
Yeah, she needs to.
Yeah.
It cannot be like. She needs a probe, Rashmi, Delna, to
yeah.
find the right point.
Okay, I'll inform her. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.